Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Kia Stinger exhaust pop. We'll dive into the various methods and modifications that can help you achieve that distinctive sound. Understanding the underlying principles is key to safely and effectively enhancing your vehicle's auditory experience. We'll cover everything from engine tuning to specific exhaust component changes, ensuring you have a clear path forward. One of the most effective ways to get those satisfying exhaust pops is through an engine control unit, or ECU, tune. A professional tuner can modify parameters like fuel cutoff and ignition timing during deceleration. This allows unburnt fuel to ignite in the exhaust, creating the desired sound. Always choose a reputable tuner to protect your engine and ensure optimal performance. Beyond tuning, modifying your exhaust system plays a significant role. Installing a catback exhaust system, or even just replacing the factory mufflers with aftermarket options, can dramatically change the sound. Some owners opt for resonator deletes or high-flow downpipes to further enhance the pops and burbles. Remember, these modifications can increase overall exhaust volume, so be mindful of local noise ordinances. While achieving those exciting exhaust pops is fun, safety and reliability should always come first. Ensure any modifications, especially engine tunes, are performed by experienced professionals. Regularly monitor your engine's health and performance after making changes. Aggressive tunes can sometimes put extra stress on components, so it's important to be aware of potential long-term effects. Drive responsibly and enjoy your Stinger's new sound.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.